Meliaceae family is Margosa or Neem family. It belongs to kingdom Plantae, division Phanerogames, class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series Disciflorae, order Geranials, that is ovule pendulous and ruffe ventral, family Meliaceae. Meliaceae family is characterized by bitter leaves and bark. Wood sometimes colored and often emits characteristic smell. Family consists of about 40 genera and 1400 species. 20 genus and 69 species are found in India. Members of this family are found to be distributed in tropical regions. In our country, the family represented by Azadirachta indica, Melia dubia, Melia Azadirachta, Dysoxylum malabaricum, Dysoxylum binectariferum, then Anamix, Aphanamixis, Polystechica, etc. Habit mostly trees or shrubs. Wood of this family emits characteristic smell. Leaves are alternate, exstipulate, pinnately compound. Leaflets have unequal leaf base. Inflorescence is raceme or cymose, usually in cymose panicles. Panicle in axillary or terminal form. Flowers are bisexual, rarely unisexual. Unisexual flowers are found in Lancium or polygamous found in Amura and Aglaya. Actinomorphic and hypogynous flowers often scented. Calyx 4 to 5 sepals, polysepalous or cannot, that is united at the base, minute, usually imbricate, rarely velvate. Corolla petals are 4 to 5, rarely 3 to 8, polysepalous, rarely connate or adnate, attached to staminal tube. Estivation is contorted, imbricate or velvate. Androecium, stamens usually 8 to 10, rarely 5 or indefinite, generally united to form a staminal tube, that is monodelphous, example in Cedrella and Chloroxylon. Sometimes filaments completely united with sessile anthers on the staminal tube. Disc is present outside the staminal tube, that is between staminal tube and ovary. Anthers are two-celled, dehiscing longitudinally. Gynoecium, here carpels are 2 to 5, rarely more or less syncarpous. Ovary superior, locules 2 to 5, 1 to many ovules in each locule. Presentation exile, styles single, simple, stigma capitate, discoid or lobed. Coming to fruit and seed, fruit is berry in Valsura, capsule in Cedarale and Dysoxylum. Rarely droop in Melia. Seeds are non-endospermic or with fleshy endosperm and often enclosed in an aril. Seeds usually winged in tuna. Floral formula is Calyx 4 to 5, Corolla 4 to 5, Androecium 8 to 10 and Gynoecium 2 to 5, that is superior. Coming to the economic importance of Meliaceae family, it's an excellent timber. Example, Dysoxylum malabaricum, Svetania macrophylla and Chukrasia tubularis. Wood used for house buildings, bridges, furnitures, wallboards, musical instruments, cart shafts, agriculture implements. Bark, leaf, and roots are used as medicine like neem, satinwood, tonewood. Leaves and bark are excellent biopesticides. Gums extracted from the bark traded in the market like chloroxylon and tuna. For fast growing plantations, the plants like Melia dubia as a avenue and ornamental tree like mahogany are belonging to this family only. Important species are Azadirachta indica, that is Neem 2n equal to 28. Melia dubia is great neem or Malabar neem, again 2n equal to 28 chromosome number. Aphanamixis polystachya is Rohituka 2n equal to 36 or 76. Dysoxylum malabaricum is white cedar. Cedarella tuna is tuna plant 2n equal to 56. Dysoxylum benectariferum is red cedar 2n equal to 80. Chloroxylon svetania is satinwood. Svetania mahogany is mahogany wood 2n equal to 48. Chickrasia tubularis is Chittagong wood tree 2n equal to 26. Soymida fabribfuga is Indian redwood or Indian mahogany. We'll discuss one by one. First important species is Azadirachta indica. This is also known as Neem or Bevina mara. It's native to India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Pakistan, growing in tropical and semi-tropical or subtropical regions. It's evergreen, but in severe drought, it may shed most or nearly all of its leaves. The branches are widespread. The fairly dense crown is roundish or oval. All parts of the trees, like seeds, leaves, flowers, and bark, are used for preparing many different medical preparations. Neem oil is used for preparing cosmetics like soap, shampoo, balms, and creams, for example, Margosa soap. And it's useful for skincare, much as acne treatment and keeping skin elasticity. Neem oil has been found to be an effective mosquito repellent. Decoction prepared from neem roots is ingested to relieve fever in traditional Indian medicine. Seeds of the neem tree, source of pesticides and fertilizer and medicinal products. Neem oil is taken from the seed. Second important genre is Dysoxylum malabaricum. This is also known as white cedar or Bili Devadaru, a very large tree of evergreen and semi-evergreen forests of Western Ghats. Can forests of Sorab are the best habitat of white cedar, endemic plants to Western Ghats, vulnerable in its status. Wood is an excellent timber for furniture, housing material. Temple doors are made from this wood in Kurg and other parts, hence the name Devadaru. Third important one is Dysoxylum benecteriferum. This is red cedar or Kempu Devadaru. This is medium-sized tree of semi-evergreen forest. Bark is a source of alkaloid called rohitucaine that is used as medicine for cancerous treatment. Swetchenia mahogany is mahogany plant. This is fast-growing large tree native to tropical America, introduced to India in 1872. Wood is favored for high-value furniture and interior fittings, good avenue, roadside and ornamental plants. Melia dubia, that is Malabar neem wood, Huchbevu, Malabevu or Mahanim. This is fast-growing large deciduous tree, occurs in deciduous forests in India. Timber is used for making wallboard, door panel and furniture. Wood is also used for agriculture implements, flooring, boxes and crates. Oil is used extracted from the seed used as medicine. Cedarella tuna is tune plant. Mandurike or Chandana Vembu is another name for this. It's a large semi-deciduous tree distributed in semi-evergreen forests of India. Wood is used in furniture, house construction for ceiling and floors. Wood is also used in making boats, musical instruments, carts, etc. Leaves are used as fodder. Dyes extracted from the flowers used in coloring cotton and wooden fabrics. Bark is used in medicine. Chukrasia tabularis is Chickrassy or Chittagong wood. This is also known as Gandhagarike in Canada. Fast growing, very tall, handsome tree, occurs in semi evergreen forests of India. Timber is suitable for packing cases, furniture, house construction, etc. Gum extracted from the trunk is marketed as admixture with other Indian gums. Bark has medicinal property. Aphanemixis polystachya is also known as rohituca. Very large tree, bark yields rohitucaine, an alkaloid which is used in medicine to treat many diseases. Soymida fabribfuga, Indian redwood or Indian mahogany. This is also known as Swami mara. This is a large deciduous tree, drought and fire resistant. Capsules septicidally septifugal, many winged seeds. Wood is used in furniture, oil, etc. Then bark is used as febrifuge in diarrhea and dysentery. Thank you. I think the information furnished by me is helpful to you, and if you like this video, please do not forget to keep on liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting.